If you've ever felt like your website is just sitting there, not working for you, not ranking, not converting, we built Workspace CMS specifically for you. Workspace CMS is a fully managed white glove CMS platform, meaning we don't just hand you software and wish you luck. We handle it. You run your business, we run your digital presence. The platform is SEO-first, AI-infused, and built to perform from day one. No bloated plugin stacks, no third-party app chaos. The features you actually need: speed, schema, structured data, marketing tools, they're already built in. And fast? This thing flies, because a slow site doesn't rank, period. Here's what really sets us apart. Depending on your plan, you could submit requests anytime, edits, updates, changes, and our team handles them. And if you need more, SEO, PPC, design, custom development, strategy, that team is already behind you. And the best part? This isn't an enterprise price tag. Plans start at just $89 a month. And sign up for 12 months, we'll build your site for free. Workspace CMS, built to rank, built to perform, built for businesses that are serious about growth. Get started at WorkspaceCMS.ai.